Is your fuse inventory cluttered and outdated? Over time, storerooms accumulate fuses from different manufacturers, leading to duplication and outdated stock. Here are some simple steps to help you keep personnel safe and streamline fuse ordering and stocking. Step 1. Inspect fuses for damage. Discard fuses that are not clearly marked or have been compromised by water damage. Step 2. Identify outdated fuses. Highlight old types like Class H and Class K5 fuses. Step 3. Consolidate your inventory. Work with experts to update to modern, safer fuses. Step 4. Upgrade to indicating fuses. They quickly identify which fuses need replacement, reducing downtime and enhancing safety. Step 5. Get organized. Use labels for easy tracking and reordering. It doesn't have to be spring to clean your fuse inventory. Keep personnel safe and save costs through smarter, streamlined ordering and stocking today. Visit littelfuse.com/fuses to learn more.